Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting right away. Log into Roblox and open the cog menu, then go to Settings. Once done, tap Account Info and switch to the Privacy tab so you can control who interacts with you. Make sure your email and birth date are verified because Roblox restricts some privacy controls if those aren't set. You're doing this to limit friend requests, messages, and game invites, which reduces unwanted interactions. Now, stay on the privacy screen. We'll change each permission next. Now adjust the core permissions. Set who can join me and who can message me to friends or no one depending on how private you want to be. Once you change chat settings, double-check experience and item permissions so strangers cannot invite or trade with you. If a parent manages the account, update parental controls accordingly. Otherwise, confirm accept friend requests is off. Finally, inspect active sessions under Security and sign out any unknown devices to prevent unauthorized access before moving on. Finish by saving all privacy changes, then log out and log back in to ensure the platform applied them. Enable two-step verification to lock your account further. This prevents others from changing privacy settings. If you use the mobile app, make sure it's updated. App bugs can block changes. Troubleshoot by clearing cache or reinstalling the app if settings revert. If nothing works, contact Roblox support with your account details and a clear description.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.